In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to run partial correlation in Stata. This is a test that you should use when you want to assess a relationship between two numeric variables while controlling for the effect of a third variable, which can either be numeric or categorical. Here is a dataset that we are going to use for demonstrating this. You can download it from a link in the description of this video. We have got a total of 40 participants whose age, pain score, and mobility scores were measured. So we want to assess the relationship between pain score and mobility score, but we suspect that the age of the participant may influence the relationship between these two variables. In this case, a partial correlation will be most appropriate because it will give us a correlation coefficient adjusted for this third variable, age. To run a partial correlation, simply go to Statistics, Summaries, Tables and Tests, Summaries still, and then go down to Partial Correlations here. So here we would specify what would be our outcome variable. In this case, our mobility score. Then we want to adjust this for age and pain score. Then click OK. So in this output, we can see a table having the variables here, age and pain score. Then we have partial correlations and the same partial correlations here. So in our output, we see the partial and same partial correlations for our outcome variable. We have the variables here, age, pain score. We have the partial correlations. This is the column we are interested in, and the significance level or the p-value. From this table, we observe that the partial correlations for mobility score with the pain score after adjusting for age is 0.0063. However, this is not statistically significant. In other words, there is no statistically significant relationship between pain score and mobility score even after adjusting for age. That's what it means here. So that's how we can run a partial correlation in Stata and interpret it. If you found this video useful, consider liking, commenting and subscribing to the channel so that you don't miss out any of our subsequent episodes. In our next series of episodes, we shall be covering linear regression, from simple linear regression, multiple linear regression, the assumptions, how to test for confounding, among many other things. See you in the next episode.